Hello, kids. How are you today? This is another educative time on Snuggle Kids TV. Today, you're going to learn blending two sounds. Whenever you blend your sound, it becomes one. It is no longer separate, it is now together. Now, we are going to blend these English alphabet letters sounds together. S, A, E, S. I am going to place these two sounds together. A, S. Let's blend these two sounds together. As. Again, as. For the last time, as. Awesome. I am going to place these two sounds together. S, a. Let's blend these two sounds together. Sa. Again, sa. For the last time, sa. Awesome. Remember, we are learning how to blend sounds. Whenever you blend your sound, it becomes one. It is no longer separate, it is now together. I am going to place these two sounds together. It. Let's blend these two sounds together. It. Again, it. For the last time, it. Beautiful. I'm going to place these two sounds together. I. S. Let's blend these two sounds together. Is. Again, is. For the last time, is. Beautiful. This is the end of today's teaching. Bye-bye.